कित्याक ते एग्रीकल्चर सपोर्ट करता आनी ते बरें उदक आसा जाल्यार बरें उदक शेतां वयतलें. ते आतां आमचे सोय जाल्या कोण पास जाता रस्त्यार खंय हॉटलां येयल्या उडयताय कितें कचरो उडयता बाटली उडयताय प्लास्टिकाचे बाटली तेश करून हांव सद्दां म्हाका म्हणून कोत्ता लोकांक मातशें कांय उडोवं नाका. हांव मडगांव रावता तेन्ना कुट्टाडी ब्रिज क्रॉस करता तेन्ना सद्दां बासीसान चोयता जाल्यार लोक हार उडयता तळपेट मोटरांसान पासून हार उडयताले दर्याक ते मागीर ते कचरो जाता सकला आनी मागीर नुस्तें खाता ते खातात ते मरतात आनी ते पोल्युशन जाता आमगे दाखले जाग्यान प्रॉब्लेम जाता. सो इवन तार ब्रिज लोक क्रॉस करता तेन्ना हार उडयता मागीर थिंग सगळो कचरो जाता मागीर काडून पडटा ते बेश्टे लोकांचे आनी थोडे हाडटात कचरो हाडटात प्लास्टिकान उडयतात ते करपाचें न्ही. म्हजी मागणी लोकांक चोय आतां WRD पयशे मोडटा सरकार पयशे मोडटा हें आमचें अवॉयड करूंक जाता कित्याक वर्क WRDन दुसरे जाग्यान पयशे घालूंक जाता फॉर गूड पर्पज. हें बेश्टें साफ करपाक मागीर गरज ना. You go to other places where there is no much habitation. Good pure water आमच्यान हात घालून पिवपा जाता तें उदक. But here you can't even put your hand. Look at this dirt which is here. And हें कितको यूज करूं येता शेतान घाण मारता पासून हिंगा. So my request is that we should take care of our environment. Ground water पासून बरें आसतलें कित्याक this is a recharging for ground water. आनी आमचे बांय पासून बांय बरें उदक वयतलें. And this is a work which is a small work which is of 20 lakhs. And this pond will be cleaned, and this way we have got also I've already spoken to the engineer other places in Aldona constituency immediately which requires desilting cleaning of ponds. We will take up those jobs on priority, and we are also going with the WRD help. Tomorrow we are going at 11 o'clock to Tar Bridge because we are going to inspect that water hyacinth which is coming, which is growing on the water. And that is not good. It is actually very bad for aquatic life, and it's killing the fish. And there's a new kind of fish which is breeding, which we can't eat also. So we are going to do that and take that on a priority. I'm also seeking the help of the Navy. Let me be honest with you. We will also just now I spoke to Commodore, and we are speaking to the Navy and the Rear Admiral. I will also take him because I know them. I've appeared for the Navy as a lawyer for many years, so I will have good connections with them. Let us get their help also. And we will get this cleaned up so that we can have something good and the environment can be saved. So this is what we have got plans. This is from the point of view of WRD and this kind of agriculture.
तो खूपशा आता उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम व्हडलो जाता अशा परिस्थितीन हांगा खूबशे स्प्रिंग्स बी आसा पण ते सेव करपाच्या खातीर नाजाल्यार ते परत डिसिल्टिंग करून परत ते उदक पिवपाच्या खातीर अशें तुमचो कितें प्लान बी आसा?
सो एक सांगता तुका केन्ना बांय आहात तेन्ना आमगे खोर्ज्यां पासून बांय अजून आसा आम पुरयलें ना बांय आनी आम ते बांयचें उदक पितात. आम ल्हान आसतना तुमकां खबर आहा नळ नाशिल्ले म्हूण आम ते बांयचें न्हांवताले आमी. सो आमी बांय आहात ते पासून रिस्टोर करपाचें कित्याक एक पाटी तें उदक आहा बिल्डींग पासून बांदता तेन्ना हांवें पळयलां ते बांय पुरयताय आनी मागीर बिल्डींग बांदतात कित्याक कीप दॅट वेल आनी मागीर ऑटोमॅटिकली आमगे वॉटर रिचार्जींग जाता तेन्ना ती बांय घेता. हांव एक सांगता तुमकां आमगे मडगांव घरान उदक इंग पासून येता म्हणल्यार तुवें कोळसो घालून जाता आनी उदक काडून जाता कित्याक ते सगळे सायडीन बिल्डींग येयले ते बांय पुरयले आनी ते आमगे वॉटर लेवल आमगे चडले वयर. सो अशें करून इतले सायन्स नाका ऑटोमॅटिकली लॉजीक पडटा तुका एज पर लॉजीक थिंग पुरयले देखून आमगे उदक चडलें. So and we have still good drinking water. I mean, नुस्तें पासून गायले थिंगा that good type of fish which is good for water. तें गायला आमी नुस्तें. So as far as water springs and all, we'll identify these places. We'll clean up these places. We'll make sure that there's no toxicity there. वयताय लोक जोरी आहा थिंगा बाटली फोडटात मागीर प्लास्टीक बाटली उडयतात पिकनीक करतात करात पिकनीक म्हणून घाण करून सोडनाकात आनी वचनाकात. This is my appeal to everybody, whether it is in our constituency or whether in any other place, even in the forest, लोक वयतना अशें करतात. So my request is मातशें साफ करून तुगे कचरो हाडटा कचरो घेवन वचात तुमी.
आमची गव्हर्मेंट जी डिपार्टमेंट आसा WRD आणि PWD हांकांच खबर ना की आपलें काम खंयचें ते मागीर WRDचेर धुकलता WRD PWDचेर धुकलता. हाचेर तुमी कितें करतले? डिपार्टमेंट एक उदकाचेंच पूण तांकां खबर ना खंय वयता उदक आनी कितें आसपाचें उदक?
ना कितें जाता, एक कोण आसपा जाय डायरेक्शन दिवपाक. तो डायरेक्शन दिता तेका ज्ञान आसपा जाय, कितें आसपा जाय, नॉलेज आसपा जाय. आतां म्हापसा तार ब्रीज आहा, हांव एक एग्जांपल दिता. म्हाका कितले लोकांनी हांव मिटिंगाक गेल्लो, प्रायवेट लोक मिटींग करताले आनी हांव गेल्लो थिंगा आनी हांवें आयकलें सगळें. मागीर तांकां सांगलां, डू यू नो टू होम दीस रिवर बिलोंग्स? कित्याक बेश्टे आमी वयतले कोतले आनी मागीर लास्ट आमकां फोंट पडटले, कोण सांगतो कितें कोत्ता, कोणें सांगलां कर म्हूण म्हाका नाका. हांव जाणा पेपर सगळे डॉक्युमेंट पळोवन हे म्हापसा रिवर हॅज नाव बीन मेड नॅशनल रिवर अंडर इंडियन सेंट्रल इनलँड वॉटरवेज एक्ट. So एक part is central government, then the next question under whom it comes. So I also know one part, this I have also spoken. Tar Bijas on left side Giri Hoite, that comes under WRD. And the other part from this side going to Moira is coming under Captain of Force. आता पंचायती फकत आपयल जाल्या सेक्रेटरी, आम चीफ ऑफिसर, म्युनिसिपॅलिटी आपयल म्हणून आमचें काम कांय जाचना. We have to get them also. So we must know first whom what it belongs to. I agree with you that sometimes there is a little crossing, overlapping of departments. But Zata, sometimes departments are helpful to help us to say that we will do for you. So we are getting everyone on board for that. And that is how we can work and we can get all the departments to coordinate. Let me tell you one thing. Officers in the department are ready to help. I know this. They have a good attitude. They are also there sitting. They don't want to sit idle just to get salary at the end of the month. कोण डायरेक्शन दिवपाक जाय तांकां. डायरेक्शन ना जाल्यार कसलें काम करतले? तांकां एन्थुजियाजम नासतलें, तांकां कांय हें आसना. सम लिटल push must be there and they should be protected for whatever they are doing. And I think officers are good, and if we give them the push, we will have the good days back again.
बेश्टो हात लावन
सांगपाचें हांव ऑप्शन आशिल्लो पणजे, कोण आयलो बांबोलीचो पेपर दिवपाक सोदता. म्हाका दिसता चड कितें जाता, पेपर दिता पूण केसीचे म्हाका मातशें दाखय झाड वळा भितर तुका मातशें टायम गॅप आशिल्लो, म्हाका फ्री आशिल्लो. आयलो तो, there is some hill cutting going on in Bambole. Did you complain to authority? Did you do this? So the town planning is very corrupt. I got all the documents. I said, I am not the crusader to catch everyone. First, I will look after my constituency. Then I will look at other places. If I go there, then that MLA will get upset with me. I don't know. Plus, I don't know facts. Simply, I will take an issue. No, MLA. I said, hardly 3 days MLA. I am going to say full Goa right now. Aha, look, there are people who are enthusiastic. At the same time, direction, but I think people are looking.